Hello students, today we are going to learn class 7 NCERT poem The Rebel. The poem The Rebel describes the character of a rebel, a person who does not conform to the norms of the society. The rebel is described as a person who would contradict or oppose others in order to be different. In this poem, the poet who sketch a character of a rebel who seems to be a character of a young adolescent trying to be different. Now let us understand what is given there in that poem. Before you reading, you just search. You can observe that peoples who always disagree, you and your friends. So what is the proper word for them? You have to search, and the proper word is only The Rebel. The Rebel is a poem which was written by D.J. Enright. Who wrote this poem? D.J. Enright. He wrote this poem. Line to line, we are going to understand what is given there. I am reading the poem and simultaneously explaining also. The rebel is a character. Okay, consider here rebel is a character. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cut his hair short. When everybody, okay, what are the friends the rebel have? When they have the short hair, at the time the rebel keep long hairs. On seeing others with long hairs, if he see others have long hairs, the rebel who would cut short his hair, he cut his short and he made it short. It means that he was continuously stay against and he wanted to make himself different than others. Therefore, a person, suppose everyone has long hairs, he made his short, and if everyone has short hairs, he grow his hairs long. When everybody talk during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When in the class, when everybody, it means that every student was talking in the lesson, during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. A rebel who keeps silence there, and when nobody talk during the lesson, and when a lesson is very important and no one is talking, at that time the rebel creates a disturbance, and at that time only the rebel who started talking in that during the lesson. So naughty character the rebel is, we can say that, because that's not his problem, because he wanted to show him different than others, therefore he is doing that way. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. It means that everybody in the school, when all students who wears uniform, all school who dressed uniform very well, at the time the rebel who wears a dressed in a fantastic cloth, the rebel dresses in a fantastic cloth. It means that he wears colorful dress when all or everyone is in uniform. When everybody wear fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. When the everyone who wears fantastic or colorful clothes, at that time the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means silent dress. Okay, simple dress he wears at that time. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expressed a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel put in a good words for dog. So what a strange boy he is. Because when he is in the company of dog lovers, when he sits with the dog lovers, at that time he shows his preference for the cats. It means that he talks about the cats and he loves cats very well. He is telling in front of them. And when he is see next, in the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good words for the dogs. And whenever he sits in the company of cat lovers, at that time the rebel puts in the good words for the dogs, and he puts good words and he says good words for the dogs. This is the thing. This kind of boy he is. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remark on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regret the absence of sun. Rebel is a very naughty, or very we can say that naughty. We can say that is a boy, because when everyone or everybody is praising the sun, when everyone is saying that sun is good, at that time rebel remarks on the need for rain. Now at that time the rebel who needs rain there. And when everybody is greeting the rain, and when the rain starts, and everyone who is greeting the rain, at that time the rebel who regret about the sun. It means that when the rain is going on, at that time he wants sun, and when the sun is shining, at that time he talks about the rain. That kind boy the rebel is. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stay at home and reads books. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads the book, the rebel goes to the meeting. See what he did here. When everybody goes to the meeting, when everybody goes for wandering or doing other activities, at that time he stayed home and read a book. And when everybody stayed at home and read books, at that time he goes out of the house, or we can say he goes to play, or he plays to go, he goes to do his regular work, or he goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Here is also you can see that when everybody says yes they want, at that time the rebel says no thank you. He do not want that thing. He does not want that thing. And on the other hand, when everybody says no, at that time the rebel says yes I want that, because he wanted to show his difference from others. It is a very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is very good we have rebels. Rebels is a boy. It is a we can say that the rebels. It means that we have this kind of boys. It is a very good that we have this kind of boys. Yes, you may not find it very good to be one. From the last two lines we can understand that having rebels around us, it means that having rebels around us is beneficial, as they train us to acknowledge difference. If you have if you're around is rebels, this kind of boys is around you, definitely it's beneficial for you, because they train us, or they train you to acknowledge difference. However, it is not good to be rebel, because they are not accepted by the society. But it is also true that It is not good to be a rebel. It is not good to be a rebel like this boy, whatever mentioned in this poem, because they are not accepted by the society, because society is not going to accept this kind of boys. It's a very fantastic and beautiful poem. I hope that you have understood it. This poem, which was written by DJ Enright. Let us understand working with the poem. Question number 1. Answer the following question. In that, number 1, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? Answer, you can write in this way also. The teacher will ask him or her about the reason for not being in uniform and then takes action according to the reply. Teacher will take action according to the reply. Question number two. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? Answer, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain the most. This is the answer. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? Answer, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, then everyone else is the rebel likely to have a cat. What is it good to have rebels? What is it to have rebels? Answer, it is good to have rebels because very few peoples have the power to oppose the decision of the majority. They think differently and fearlessly stand with their choices, which can be beneficial. Why it is not good to be a rebel oneself? Why it is not good to be a rebel oneself? Answer, it is not good to rebel oneself because no one will like you. It keeps you apart from the people and they will be like for enemies. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? No, I would not like to be a rebel because I don't have a guts to oppose the majority, and moreover, I can't hurt the feelings of the people. I don't want to be a source of bitterness among the people. You can write your own answer also. If yes, you want to become rebel, you can write in your own also. Find in the poem antonyms of the words. Okay, long, short is the antonyms. Grow, cut, quietness, disturbance, sober, fantastic, lost, find. Find in the poem that lines match the following. Read both one after another. Just sentences given there. According to that, we have to find appropriate line in the poem. Number 1. The rebel refuses to cut his hair. Appropriate line. The rebel lets his hair grow long. He says cat is better. The rebel expresses a preference for cats. He recommends dogs. The rebel puts in a good words for dogs. He is unhappy because there is no sun. The rebel regrets the absence of sun. Number 5. He is noisy on purpose. The rebel creates a disturbance. This is the working with the poem. I hope that you have understood this poem very well, and we got the message also that, as I told you, that if you will continuously cross the peoples, definitely that peoples they don't like you, therefore decide to become rebel or not. Thank you very much. Take care. don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much. Take care.